In this video, I'll show you how to resize dimension text in AutoCAD so your drawings are easier to read and look more professional. First, select any dimension in your drawing to identify the dimension style it is using. Next, type D in the command line and press Enter to open the Dimension Style Manager. Select the active dimension style, then click Modify to edit its settings. In the Dimension Style window, open the Text tab and locate the Text Height option. Enter the new text height that matches your drawing scale and improves readability. Click OK to save the changes, then close the Dimension Style Manager. All dimensions that use the same style will update automatically with the new text size. If the text still looks too small or too large, simply repeat the process and adjust the value until you're happy with the result. Using the correct dimension text size helps create cleaner drawings and makes your designs easier to understand when printing or sharing with others. That's how easy it is to resize dimension text in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.